Good morning, students. Today we are studying integration by substitution method. In this question, we have to get a substitution, and by using substitution, question will be converted like a formula, and then we find out integration. We have to given question number 15. Integration of 10 cube 2x sec 2x dx. We have to integrate this. To solve this question, first of all, we break the power of 10 cube 2x. We write 10 square 2x into 10 2x into sec 2x dx. We know that 10 square x is equal to sec square x minus 1. Now using this formula, we write here 10 square 2x as a sec square 2x minus 1, then 10 2x and sec 2x. Now on multiplying by 10 2x sec 2x in both the part, we get here sec square 2x 10 2x sec 2x dx minus integration of 10 2x sec 2x dx. In order to solve the first part, sec square 2x 10 2x sec 2x dx. Now to solve this part, we consider here sec 2x is equal to t. On differentiating with respect to x in both the side, we write here 2 sec 2x 10 2x dx is equal to dt, because we know that differentiation of sec x is equal to sec x 10x. Therefore differentiation of sec 2x will be 2 sec 2x 10 2x dx is equal to dt. Therefore the value of sec 2x 10 2x dx is equal to 1 by 2 dt. Now to solve the second part, we let here 2x is equal to u. We write here 2x is equal to u, then 2 dx is equal to du, and dx is equal to 1 by 2 du. Now putting these both value in question will be transformed like this: 1 by 2 t square dt minus 1 by 2 10 u sec u du, because sec square 2x is written as t square, sec 2x is equal to t, therefore sec square 2x is equal to t square, and sec 2x 10 2x dx is equal to dt, sec 2x dx, sec 10 2x sec 2x dx is equal to 1 by 2 dt, therefore we write here 1 by 2 dt. And in second part, 2x is equal to u, 2 dx is equal to du, dx is equal to 1 by 2 du, we write here 1 by 2 du, and it will be 10 u and sec u. Now using formula, x integration of x to the power n dx is equal to x to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1, we get here integration of t square dt is equal to t cube by 3, and b multiplying by 1 by 2, and in second part we know that integration of sec x 10x dx is equal to sec x, therefore integration of 10u sec u du is equal to sec u. Now multiplying by 1 by 2, it will be 1 by 2 sec 2x. Now putting the value of t in this question, it will be sec 2x whole cube by 6 minus 1 by 2 sec 2x plus c. Now come to the question number 16. In question number 16, we have to integrate 10 to the power 4x. Now to solve this question, we break 10 to the power 4x in two parts, like 10 square x dx. Now we break 10 square x By using the formula, we know that tan square x is equal to sec square x minus 1. Therefore, we write here tan square x is equal to sec square x minus 1, and then we multiply by tan square x in both. We get here integration of tan square x sec square x minus integration of tan square x dx. Now we put here tan x is equal to t. Tan x is equal to t. Then differentiating in both the side with respect to x, it will be sec square x dx is equal to dt. Therefore, we putting here tan square x sec square x dx, integration of tan square x sec square x dx minus integration of tan square x means sec square x minus 1. Now, since tan x is equal to t, therefore tan square x is equal to t square, and sec square x dx is equal to dt, and it will be sec square x dx, and minus minus will be plus dx, integration of dx. It will be t cube by 3 minus integration of sec square x dx is equal to minus tan x plus integration of dx is equal to x plus c. Then now putting the value of t is equal to tan x, answer will be tan x whole cube by 3 minus tan x plus c. It will be our answer. C. Now come to the next question number 17. Question number 17, we have to find out integration of question sin cube x plus cos cube x upon sin square x cos square x dx. First of all, we divide denominator by numerator. Question will be break in two part. It will be sin cube x upon sin square x cos square x dx plus integration cos cube x upon sin square x cos square x dx. Now it will be, on solving, it will be sin x by cos x into cos x dx plus integration cos x by sin x into sin x dx. We know that sin x by cos x is equal to tan x, and 1 by cos x is equal to sec x. Therefore, it will be tan x sec x dx plus integration cos x by sin x is equal to cot x, 1 by sin x is equal to cosec x dx. Now we know that the integration of tan x sec x dx is equal to sec x, and integration of cosec x cot x dx is equal to minus cosec x, and c is your integration constant. Now come to the next question, question number 18. We have to find out integration cos 2x plus 2 sin square x by cos square x dx. We know that cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x minus 1 plus 2 sin square x upon cos square x dx. Now we taking common 2, right here cos square x plus sin square x upon cos square x dx, and second part will be minus integration 1 upon cos square x dx. Cos square x plus sin square x is equal to 1, and 1 upon cos square x is equal to sec square x. Therefore, it will be 2 sec square x dx minus 1 by cos square x is equal to sec square x dx. We know that the integration of now 2 sec square x dx minus sec square x dx, it will be sec square x dx, and we know that the integration of sec square x is equal to tan x, and c is integration constant. Now come to the question number 19. Question number 19, we have to find out integration 1 upon sin x plus cos cube x dx. Now we dividing both numerator and denominator by cos x, we get here 1 by cos x upon sin x by cos x into cos cube x dx. 1 upon cos x will be sec x, and cos square x cos cube x will be changed into numerator like sec square x sec cube x dx. and sin x by cos x will be 10x. Now we suppose here 10x is equal to t, then sec square x dx is equal to dt. Now putting this value in question, we can write here sec square x, and sec square x is equal to 1 plus 10 square x upon 10x, and we substitute the value 10x is equal to t, sec square x dx is equal to dt. Question can be transformed in the form of 1 plus t square upon t dt. Now dividing both the part by denominator, it will be 1 by t dt plus t dt. We know that integration of 1 by x dx is equal to log x base c. Therefore, integration of 1 upon t dt is equal to log t, plus integration of single t dt is equal to t square by 2 plus c is integration constant. Now putting the value of t, answer will be log 10x plus 10x square by 2 plus c. Thank you. Now next step.